When it comes to standing out and looking more attractive than other women, it's not just about confidence or charm. It's about the subtle visual cues that men instantly notice. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what men are drawn to when it comes to your appearance. From the way you carry yourself to the small details that make a big impact, these are the things that can make you stand out in any crowd. If you've ever wondered what truly catches a man's eye and makes him take notice, keep watching, because we're diving into the psychology behind what makes you look irresistible. 1. Effortless posture that displays elegance. Men often notice a woman's posture before anything else, even subconsciously. The way you carry yourself can speak volumes about your poise and confidence without saying a word. Standing tall, with a naturally aligned back and relaxed shoulders, portrays a composed and self-assured aura that sets you apart. A graceful posture signals high self-esteem and a strong sense of self-awareness. Unlike exaggerated gestures or forced movements, an effortless stance shows that you're comfortable in your own skin. Men instinctively notice this because posture hints at energy levels and vitality, two traits often associated with attractiveness. Beyond first impressions, your posture subtly influences how others perceive your overall attractiveness. Studies suggest that people are drawn to those who project calm confidence through their body language. By making this a natural habit, you'll stand out in any crowd without needing to say a single word. 2. A unique sense of scent. One of the most overlooked yet powerful tools of attraction is scent. Men are drawn to women who smell distinct and memorable. Not necessarily overpowering, but captivating enough to leave a lasting impression. The psychology of scent plays a huge role in making you stand out. A personalized fragrance that complements your natural chemistry can create an invisible signature that lingers long after you've left the room. Men subconsciously associate scents with feelings, memories, and emotions, making your fragrance choice a subtle yet potent statement. Choose a scent that resonates with you, something warm, fresh, or slightly mysterious. When paired with your personality, it enhances how people perceive you. Men are particularly intrigued by women who carry a scent that feels intimate and unique, distinguishing you effortlessly from others. 3. Understated fashion that highlights your best features. Looking better than other women doesn't mean following every trend. It's about wearing clothes that highlight your unique assets. Men notice women who dress with intention, blending simplicity with sophistication. Understated fashion speaks volumes without needing to scream for attention. For instance, a well-fitted outfit in a neutral palette can be far more striking than an overly flashy ensemble. The key lies in wearing pieces that flatter your body shape, enhance your natural coloring, and make you feel confident. Men are wired to notice balance and harmony in appearance, and understated fashion achieves this effortlessly. When you prioritize fit and subtle detailing over extravagance, you project a sense of self-awareness and refinement. Men often find this approach more intriguing because it leaves room for curiosity while still making a strong impression. 4. Polished skin that radiates health. When men look at a woman, one of the first things they notice is her skin. Smooth, glowing skin is universally associated with vitality and beauty, making it an instant visual focal point. Psychologically, healthy skin signals good self-care and overall well-being. It shows that you invest time in yourself, which men find highly appealing. Clear, radiant skin doesn't require perfection, but conveys a sense of natural beauty and health that stands out in any setting. Men are particularly drawn to skin that appears fresh and hydrated. Incorporating simple habits like drinking enough water, exfoliating regularly, and using sunscreen can dramatically enhance your look and give you an edge over others in a subtle but powerful way. 5. Hairstyling that enhances your features. Hair plays a massive role in how you look and can instantly elevate your appearance. Men notice women whose hairstyles complement their facial features, creating a cohesive and attractive overall look. Whether it's sleek and straight, loose waves, or a chic bun, the key is to style your hair in a way that flatters your face shape and enhances your natural beauty. Even subtle changes, like maintaining clean ends or adding a slight shine, can make your hair look polished and captivating. Psychologically, well-maintained hair signals effort and attention to detail, traits men subconsciously associate with attractiveness. The way you present your hair speaks volumes about how much care you put into your appearance. 6. Well-fitted clothing that flatters your body. The right outfit can make or break your appearance. Men notice women who wear clothing that fits well and highlights their best features, making them appear confident and put together. Ill-fitting clothes, whether too tight or too loose, can diminish even the most beautiful look. Tailored pieces that enhance your shape and complement your natural proportions help you stand out. Men subconsciously associate this with a sense of style and attention to detail. It's not about following trends, it's about choosing clothes that make you feel comfortable and look effortlessly stunning. When your outfit aligns with your personality and flatters your figure, it creates a lasting impression. 7. Subtle yet impactful makeup. Makeup, when done right, can accentuate your natural beauty and give you an edge over others. Men notice makeup that enhances rather than masks your features, making you appear polished and radiant. A well-applied foundation that evens out your skin tone, a hint of blush for a healthy glow, and defining your eyes with mascara or eyeliner can make a world of difference. These subtle enhancements draw attention to your best features without appearing overdone. Psychologically, understated makeup conveys confidence and self-awareness. It shows that you know how to present yourself in a way that's both attractive and authentic. This balance is key to standing out in any crowd. 8. A bright smile that draws attention. Nothing catches a man's eye faster than a genuine smile paired with well-maintained teeth. A bright, healthy smile instantly lights up your face and makes you look more attractive. Men are naturally drawn to smiles because they exude positivity and approachability. But beyond emotion, the appearance of your teeth, whether they're clean, straight, or slightly imperfect, plays a role in how visually appealing your smile is. Whitening your teeth or using clear lip gloss to enhance your smile can elevate your overall look. A captivating smile doesn't require perfection. It's about projecting warmth and confidence while ensuring your oral hygiene reflects effort and care. Men appreciate the combination of natural charm and attention to detail. 9. Well-groomed eyebrows that frame your face. Eyebrows are often underestimated, but they play a crucial role in defining your facial structure. Men notice women with well-groomed eyebrows that frame their face beautifully, enhancing their overall appearance. The psychology behind this is simple. Balanced, symmetrical eyebrows draw attention to your eyes and add harmony to your facial features. Whether you prefer a bold brow or a natural shape, keeping them clean and aligned makes a huge difference in how you look. Regular grooming, such as trimming or filling in sparse areas, helps create a polished appearance. Men may not consciously think about eyebrows, but they instinctively notice how well they complement your overall look. 10. Color choices that highlight your complexion. The colors you wear can significantly impact how attractive you appear. Men notice when women choose colors that enhance their skin tone, making their features stand out in a vibrant yet harmonious way. Warm tones like red coral or mustard can highlight warm skin tones, while cooler shades like navy or emerald green can complement cooler complexions. The key is to select hues that enhance your natural coloring rather than clash with it. This attention to detail in your wardrobe psychology creates an impression of elegance and thoughtfulness. Men often perceive women who make smart color choices as more visually appealing, even if they can't pinpoint why. 11. Healthy, well-maintained nails. Men notice more than just your face. Your hands and nails are also part of the equation. Well-maintained nails, whether bare or painted, show that you care about the finer details of your appearance. Psychologically, clean, neatly trimmed nails signal personal hygiene and self-respect. A neutral polish or a subtle pop of color can elevate your look without being distracting, adding a polished touch to your overall appearance. Even small habits like moisturizing your hands or keeping your nails smooth make a big impact. Men subconsciously associate these subtle grooming details with a high level of self-care and sophistication. 12. Natural body language that complements your look. While body language is about behavior, it significantly affects how you're perceived visually. Men notice women who move with grace and coordination, as it adds to their overall appearance. Small gestures like a gentle sway when walking or relaxed hand movements suggest elegance. Avoiding stiff or abrupt actions ensures your body language aligns with the polished, attractive image you want to project. This harmony between appearance and movement creates a cohesive impression. Men find this balance alluring because it reflects a natural confidence that enhances your overall look. 13. Accessories that subtly elevate your style. The right accessories can take your appearance to the next level. Men notice women who use accessories to add personality and sophistication to their outfits, creating a visually appealing balance. Minimalist jewelry, a stylish handbag, or a classic watch can make your look feel complete without overwhelming it. Accessories should enhance your outfit rather than compete with it, adding subtle flair that catches the eye. Psychologically, well-chosen accessories convey attention to detail and creativity. Men notice and appreciate this effort because it suggests a strong sense of style and individuality, making you stand out effortlessly. If you have made it this far, let us know what you think in the comment section below. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.